Welcome to Phone Transformer, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we're diving into how to turn off glide typing on Android. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest guides and tips. Let's get started with the process. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the settings. Step 2. Once you're in settings, scroll through the options until you find additional settings and give that a tap. Step 3. Next, look for languages and input and select it. Step 4. Here, you'll see an option for manage keyboards. Go ahead and tap on that. Step 5. Now, you'll find a list of keyboard options. Select Gboard, which is Google's official keyboard for Android. Step 6. In the keyboard settings menu, tap on glide typing. Step 7. Now you want to see the enabled glide typing. Step 8. Finally tap to turn off the glide typing. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the glide typing on Android device. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.